Okay, I am making chicken. Now I paid $1.74 a pound for this chicken. I'm going to cut it up into smaller chunks and put it in my pan. Now you can line your pan with foil if you want. I'm not, but you can. All right. Okay, so this should be enough chicken for us for dinner right here. Okay. Then I'm going to save this for another dinner and cut up my onion. This. Okay, so then I'm going to take my seasoned salt, turned on my oven to 350, and I'm going to place my onions on top, and this is my Catalina dressing, my homemade. You don't have to use homemade. You can use store-bought if you want. I'm gonna pour that over the top. Okay, now we're gonna put this in the oven to bake. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. I'm gonna go ahead and pre-cut this up for my next meal. I do not know what I'm going to make with it. Maybe I'll make the Italian chicken next. And I will just go ahead and get it in the pan and ready. Alright, and then I have my seasoned salt, sprinkling all over this with my Italian dressing. And I'm just going to cover that up. And then tomorrow I will put this in the oven before church and let it bake until we get home from church. This I'm going to cut up and then make some chicken curry. ahead and sprinkle that with seasoned salt. Put this in the whatever you want to call it. Okay, my thing. Less than 6 minutes. I have all of my chicken cut up. Then while I have my cutting board out for the chicken curry, I'm going to go ahead and cut up my onion and just put it in with the chicken. And I'll just saute both of those at the same time. And there we go. Yes, I'm going to go wash off my bowl. So we have our chicken about halfway cooked, and I am cutting up my carrots and putting in my carrots. Oh, this smells delicious. I should have cut that one smaller. Oh well. And then go. Get my carrots in. Just like so. Okay, now we got our carrots in there. We're gonna put this back in the oven for probably a half an hour. Okay. Oh, that looks delicious. And the carrots are pretty done, but I think I'm gonna leave it about 10 more minutes. Okay, got my rice in the microwave and my carrots are done and my chicken is done. Oh, that looks delicious. Okay, got my rice here and I'm going to put my rice on. Probably. Okay, I got my onions and my carrots and my chicken and some juice. Do you need to walk through? Yes. Then I have my dinner, my broccoli. Okay. Mother. There we go. Yum. Okay, getting ready to go to church, so I've got my Italian chicken in here. My potatoes in here, covering both with foil, and 250 degrees, and they should be done around, it's 8:30 now, so they should be done around 11 o'clock when we get back from church. So I put a knife in, they didn't quite get done, so we moved my temperature up, and they still didn't get done, and I'm hungry, so I am throwing them in a microwave bowl and going to nuke them for 5 minutes, and then my potatoes will be done. Okay, now I think my potatoes are done. Sometimes that's just the way it goes. And here is my chicken. Yum. My third dinner right here. I'm going to put a little bit more. Okay, now this is my chicken with my onions. Gonna dump it all in there. And we're going to start just frying this up real quick. Seasoned salt. A lot of seasoned salt. People say, Tara, there's no way you need that much salt. Yes, there is. My blood pressure is actually low, believe it or not. And if you want your food to taste good, use enough salt. If you have high blood pressure, you just do whatever your doctor says, but I'm not going to until I have to. I want my food to taste good until that point. All right, now we're gonna just get this all mixed up and let this fry up. Okay, it took me 20 minutes to cook my rice. It took me 10 minutes to do this, so far 20 minutes altogether. Another maybe 3 or 4 minutes to get all my seasonings in. So basically 20 to 25 minutes to cook dinner. You can't even make it through the drive-through for that amount of time. Most of the time, around here at least. I don't know about you, but our drive-thrus are always busy, crazy busy. And then I'm just gonna let this all come together while everyone gathers for dinner. If you wanna let it simmer for 5 or 10 minutes, you can on low. And there is our chicken curry. I will show you what it looks like dished up. Needs way more salt. And extra garlic, because Mike loves garlic. Just a titch of cayenne pepper. Okay, that is darn tootin' good. All right, there you go. There you go, chicken curry. Oh, yum. Add a little bit more sauce to this one. Maybe all of them, actually. All right, come and get it. Jack, you'll never be able to figure out which one is yours, I'm sure. Okay, Jack, can you figure out which one is yours?
Let me see.
Which do you think?
I think this one is mine.
That one is yours? You do like the chicken curry. I appreciate you being the best eater of all my children. All right, can you take Dad's for him? Thank you.
Papa says eat your spinach. Oops, hold on a second.
Okay, so there's what it looks like right there. Delicious.
It's curry.
Does it have too much salt, dear?
No.
Thank you.
The world needs more salt, people.
Thank you. I agree. Okay, so then I have some leftover chicken curry and some rice. Put a little bit in there. I got a little bit of chicken here. I'm just literally dumping it all in.
So I did that for lunch. And I just mixed that chicken slightly with the
Yes.
curry. It was different chicken from the other day.
And we're just dumping this all in here, and we're just going to call it good and just have, I don't know what this is going to be, but it's going to be something, so we'll see.
But the curry kind of flavored the other stuff pretty
Well,
nice.
that's what I'm kind of thinking it's going to do.
Although the carrots were a little sweet.
We're supposed to be eating higher protein, so I'll add extra chicken in here. All right. Just put a little bit of the juice, a lot of the juice, why not? Okay, so now we're gonna nuke this and hope it tastes okay.
That one's yours.
Thank you.
Actually, that'll taste okay, but that's about 8 servings for us at the moment.
Yes. Okay, so we have about, what,
Yeah.
2, 3 lunches there also.